Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words first and fast. Let's look at each one individually. First is an adjective or adverb indicating the initial position in a sequence, or the earliest in time or order. For example, adjective, she finished the race in first place. She was the leader in the sequence of runners. Adverb, I will call you first thing in the morning. I will call you as early as possible. Fast refers to the speed at which something moves or happens. It describes something that is quick or speedy. It is used as an adjective and adverb. For example, the car is very fast. Adjective. She ran fast in the marathon. Adverb. Think of first as indicating the beginning or earliest point. Think of fast in terms of quickness or the act of fasting. To summarize, first refers to the initial position or order in a sequence or time. Fast describes high speed or the act of abstaining from food. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so we can let you know when we upload.